Right, here we go. It is Wednesday, December 18th, around 2 p.m. Thanks for joining me. We're going to be mostly talking about tomorrow's snow system now that really has a bullseye on the I-94 corridor, I think, through Minnesota and western Wisconsin. So let's get right into it. This is the European computer model guidance, the river of air at 30 to 35,000 feet, the jet stream. And we're going to rewind this here. And here comes our storm system. You can see it right here. Let me rewind that. You can see it right here. The storm system has come ashore now, the west coast of the United States. So pretty much all the energy now is onshore. And as that jet stream continues to traverse east and southeast, you can see that it's got a jet streak now on, or at least tomorrow, a jet streak nosing into Nebraska and Iowa. And this places our region in a perfect area for lift. All right. Here it is. This is tomorrow morning. This is when I think we're going to be at the height of the storm now. This is right around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. And look at this jet streak. This is the river of air now at 20 to 25,000 feet. So still high up in the atmosphere, but it shows that same jet streak now nosing into Iowa. And this is the NAM 3K guidance. So there is a consensus here, not only between the European guidance, but then the GFS, the American guidance, and then this short-term guidance now, which is the NAM 3K guidance. And that puts us in that left front quad area of the jet streak, and that's a perfect area for lift. And that's why I think we're going to have a pretty good burst of snow here tomorrow morning, especially, and then the snow lingering into the afternoon and early evening hours. Here is that jet streak again. Now this is at about 10 to 15,000 feet. This is some dry air that's going to be surging southeast into Nebraska, South Dakota, and western Iowa. And that actually acts like a snowplow. When that dry air surges into Iowa, it lifts the air over southern Minnesota and western Wisconsin, and it produces precipitation. So when we look at the winds here, not only at 30,000 feet, but then all the way down to 5 and 10,000 feet, which you see here, this is at 5,000 feet. You can see we've got strong winds. So the dynamics are there with the winds in the atmosphere and then a little bit of moisture in the atmosphere to create snow. And no doubt that is what we are going to be experiencing here as we go through tomorrow morning and then into the afternoon hours. We pick up the future radar now, the rapid refresh guidance. This is at about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight, snow breaking out over eastern North Dakota. We need to keep an eye on a little bit of freezing rain and freezing drizzle. This is where it's located late tonight, and I won't be surprised if some of that freezing drizzle continues into portions of southern Minnesota, especially Mankato and the Rochester areas. But here it is. This is as we get towards the height of the storm. This is about 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. I think snow heavy at times over southern and central Minnesota. And then that continues to 8 or 9. This is 8, 9 in the morning. Still some fairly heavy snows over southern, eastern Minnesota and western Wisconsin. Then we get into more of a showery or periods of snow and snow showers as we get into tomorrow afternoon. This is at about 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon as that low pressure system tracks pretty close to the Minnesota River. And it'll keep snow and snow showers around even into the early evening hours. You can see just a finger of light snow showers here, even as we get into that 8 and 9 p.m. time frame. So don't be surprised if the snow lingers as we go through the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. This is your timing graph that I sent to you. And I am expecting the snow to ramp up quickly between 2 and 4 a.m. And then we will hit the height of the storm right around, between 6 and 9 a.m. So right at the commute time tomorrow morning, especially in the Twin Cities metro, which is where I think the heaviest snow is going to fall. And then we get into more of a light snow or periods of snow from about 10 a.m. till about 3 p.m. But yes, I won't be surprised if some light snow showers, flurries, and even a little bit of freezing drizzle lingers into the evening hours tomorrow. So don't be caught off guard as far as that is concerned. how much snow. This is from the rapid refresh guidance. Now take this with a grain of salt, but this is the 18 Zulu, so hot off the press rapid refresh guidance for snow potential between now and, well, about 7 p.m. tomorrow. And now I don't think this is going to happen, but it just goes to show you that there could be a real good burst of heavy snow in or near the Twin Cities metro. I think 10 inches of snow is overestimating, but still a 6 to 8 inch snowfall could certainly happen somewhere near the I-94 corridor in the Twin Cities and then on east into western Wisconsin. We'll see. I also wanted to show you that there's going to be a pretty sharp cutoff as you go south of the Twin Cities in Mankato here, then the Rochester area here. You can see that the snow totals in those areas go down quickly as we go through time on Thursday. So kind of in that Highway 14 or I-90 corridor down there in extreme southern Minnesota, I think is where you're going to get a pretty sharp snow gradient. And of course, this has been sent to you. This is my 24-hour potential snow map. I will not be shocked to see 6 inches or more of snow somewhere near that I-94 corridor in the Twin Cities metro from St. Cloud south and east through the Twin Cities metro on east into Eau Claire. So quite a bit of snow tomorrow. We're certainly going to be busy, and as the short-term guidance latches onto the storm system even better here, and we get into this evening, we'll have another update for you. All right, take care, everyone. Have a get some sleep tonight, and good luck out there tomorrow.